Dear students, welcome to the class. In this session, we are going to deal with origin and growth of depository services in India, NSDL and CDSL. Actually, in India, the need for setting up a depository was realized after the large scale of irregularities in securities transactions of 1992, which exposed the limitations of prevailing system. Therefore, the need for depository system was realized for the growth of primary market, which would reduce the time between the allotment of shares and transfer of entitlements arising out of each allotment. And the idea of setting up of a depository and the introduction of scriptless trading and settlement for improving the efficiency and eliminating the various problems associated with dealings in physical certificates. Okay, so the depository system in our country was initiated by the Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited in July 1992. And in 1996, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the Depository Act was passed by the Parliament in the August 1996, which initiated the introduction of depository services in India. SEBI has notified the regulations in May 1996 with regard to norms for registration of depositories and depository participants, the eligibility criteria for admission of securities to a depositories. Okay, so SEBI norms ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟರಿಗಳು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು SEBI ಅವರು. Okay, in India there are two depositories, one is NSDL and CDSL. NSDL, that is National Securities Depositories Limited. It is the first depository in India established in August 1996. Okay, so kindly remember that full form of NSDL. And National Securities Depositories Limited was promoted by IDBI, UTI, NSE, and SBI. And NSDL is a public limited company which is incorporated under the Companies Act 1956. And presently it has 277 depository participants, and the data is up to 30th September 2020. And NSDL has 2,456,597 investor accounts as on 30th September 2020, and it has demat custody value of rupees 197.70 lakh crore as on 30th September. So demat custody value ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು? $2,679 billion US. ಅಷ್ಟು ವರ್ತ್ securities are traded in the NSDL, and the NSDL is located at Mumbai. So National Securities Depositories Limited is the first depositories in our country which is established to reduce the malpractices or manipulations which were happening earlier before the introduction of depositories. And the second main depository in our country is Central Depository Service Limited, that is CDSL. So it is the second depository in India which is established in February 1996. And CDSL is promoted by Bombay Stock Exchange, and other shareholders of CDSL are HDFC Bank Limited, Standard Chartered Bank, and Canara Bank, and many other promoters are there. And it has 593 depository participants as on 30th September 2020. And CDSL has 2.61 crore investors accounts. Just look at the figure. It has demat custody value of rupees 4,54,306 million and value of 2,07,70,068 Indian rupee in million. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದ CDSL ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ is located at Mumbai. And CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited, received the certificate of commencement of business from SEBI in February 1999. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು and it has started its functioning or operation in February 1999. And the Honorable Union Minister, Finance Minister Shri Yashwant Sinha flagged off the operations of CDSL on July 15th, 1999. And settlement in the case of CDSL or trading in CDSL is in the demat mode. Okay, so demat mode ಅಂದ್ರೆ electronic form ಅಲ್ಲಿ trading ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, again it is done through the clearing house of BSE Limited, which started its functioning in July 1999. And all the leading stock exchanges like BSE Limited, NSE Limited, Metropolitan Stock Exchanges of India have established its connectivity with CDSL. Okay, so today in this session we have discussed the origin and growth of depository in India. So for further explanation or for further information, you can go to the website NSDL and CDSL. NSDL ನ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ CDSL ನ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.